Here is the continued script. The ASUS Ascent GX10 Personal packs a 1 petaflop supercomputer into a compact desktop form factor that's about to change your work setup for the better. That kind of raw power means you can finally tackle those massive AI projects without sacrificing speed or performance. Imagine being able to have all your development environments, model libraries, and datasets at your fingertips. No more digging through cloud storage or waiting for uploads to finish. With 2 terabytes of NVMe storage on board, you can access everything you need in seconds. That's right, you'll be able to work on multiple projects simultaneously without any lag, thanks to the superfast NVMe storage. The NVIDIA GB10 Grace Blackwell Superchip is the brain behind this beast, delivering up to 1 petaflop of FP4 AI performance. But what does that actually mean? In simple terms, it means you can train and test your models incredibly quickly, perfect for fine-tuning experiments or local inference. You'll be able to run complex simulations in a fraction of the time, allowing you to iterate faster and make progress on even the most challenging projects. But here's the best part. With a unified memory of 128 GB LPDDR5X, you're not limited to just one task at a time. You can have multiple projects running simultaneously without slowing down, making this desktop a serious upgrade for anyone working on large language models, multimodal AI, or RAG workflows. This means you'll be able to juggle multiple tasks with ease, like training one model while still analyzing the results of another. It's like having an army of supercomputers at your disposal, working in perfect harmony. The DGX-OS and NVIDIA AI software stack make it incredibly easy to get started with CUDA, PyTorch, TensorFlow, TensorRT, and more. You'll be up and running with your favorite tools in no time, and the Wi-Fi 7, 10GBE, USB-C, HDMI, and NVIDIA ConnectX-7 support ensure that you can deploy this mini PC seamlessly into any modern lab or desktop setup. This means you won't have to worry about compatibility issues or complicated setup processes. But what really sets the ASUS Ascent GX10 Personal apart is its ability to run agentic AI sandbox workflows. With this power, you can create your own custom environments and test new ideas without worrying about the overhead of cloud computing. It's like having a supercomputer at your desk. The possibilities are endless. You'll be able to experiment with new models and techniques in real time, without ever leaving your workspace. And let's not forget about the cooling system. With liquid metal thermal management and a unique design that dissipates heat away from the main components, you can expect this mini PC to run quietly and efficiently, even during intense computations. This means you'll be able to focus on your work without distractions, and enjoy the satisfaction of knowing that your equipment is working hard for you. In short, the ASUS Ascent GX10 Personal is not just another mini PC. It's a game changer for anyone working on AI development, research, or data science. And with its incredible specs and performance, you can finally have all the power you need without breaking the bank. You'll be able to unlock new levels of productivity, creativity, and innovation, and take your work to the next level. Imagine being able to tackle complex AI projects with confidence, knowing that you have the power of a supercomputer at your fingertips. Imagine being able to collaborate with colleagues in real time, no matter where they are in the world. Imagine being able to experiment with new ideas and models, and see the results in seconds. That's what the ASUS Ascent GX10 Personal can offer you. So what are you waiting for? Click that link below to check out the best price for this amazing desktop and start unlocking your full potential with the ASUS Ascent GX10 Personal AI supercomputer.